Hi, Madam. Happy birthday. More blessings to come and more birthdays to come. See you later.
Hi, Ate Wana! Ayan, it's your day. Ayan, so, it's your day. Happy, happy, happy birthday sa'yo. And, ang wish ko sa'yo is more birthdays to come and good health. And, stay humble and, ingat ka palagi dyan at, stay maganda. So, ayan, Ate Wana, I hope na masaya ka ngayong birthday mo at, God bless and more blessing to come and enjoy your day. Ayan. So, happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Wana. May you have many more happy birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Wana! Enjoy your birthday, Jonah. May you have more candles to blow. We love you.
Happy birthday uli. God bless.
Happy birthday, Wana. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Birthday mo ngayon! Happy birthday, Ate Wana! Sana masaya ka today. Love you!
Para sa aking mabait na manugang, happy birthday to you. Healthy life, happy life ever. Love ya. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Wana!
Love you.
Miss you! Enjoy your day!
Hi Ate Jonah! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Miss you! Ingat ka palagi dyan. Kayo ni Kuya Elvin. Magmahalan kayong dalawa. Engaged na ako. Yun lang.